So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to add auto shake here in Alight Motion. So to add some text, go to the bottom right, press the plus icon, then the bottom right again, select text and type in your text. So I will just type in the word shake. I will then change this a little bit so it's a little easier for you guys to see, just like that. So if you want to add shake to this, it's pretty simple. Select the text right here, go to the bottom right, select effects, add effects, and then in the bottom left here it says move/transform. A bunch of different options here, but if you want to go ahead and add auto shake, go to the top left and select auto shake and then standard settings. And then once you're here, you can go ahead and just play around with it. So if you were to play it right now, it auto shakes like that, but if you want to change the magnitude, it'll shake more frequently. You can also change the frequency, the evolution, the speed, etc. So if I were to go ahead here, whoops, and go ahead and play the video just like this, it'll then shake automatically. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to add auto shake here in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.